Have you ever searched YouTube for videos on how to tie a muffler? Have you noticed none of the videos show how to tie a muffler for a man? We have 7 different muffler styles for men. The ascot.
To tie the ascot, you first you cross the muffler on your neck. Then you put this part of the muffler into the other part of the muffler, and you put it on your side.
The loop tie?
The loop tie. To make the loop tie, you have to cut this thing kind of in half, but not actually cut it. And then you put it around your neck, and you put this in here.
The Windsor?
The Windsor, my favorite. To do this, you must... The Windsor, my favorite. To do this, you must do basically the ascot again, but this time call it something different.
The Taliban torquinet?
Ooh, the Taliban torquinet. For this, you wrap it around your head, tie it in back of your head, and then you sacrifice all of everything to all.
The British tails?
The British tails. Ooh. For the British tails, you just put it over your neck and wear it like this. That's simple.
The toothache?
The toothache. For the toothache, you just tie it around your head and make it extra tight so you can't talk anymore.
Wir heim.